Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about syllabus for MSc Chemistry. This syllabus is based on CBCS, credit-based choice systems. So this syllabus belongs to our university, Department of Chemistry, B.R. Ambedkar Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. General informations regarding this course: MSc Master Degree 2 years programs. There shall be 4 semesters. Each semester shall consist 15 weeks of academic work or 90 days teaching. This program will have 3 types of course: compulsory course, core course, and elective course. Core course means the core course are those courses whose knowledge is deemed essential for the students registered for a particular master degree program. Elective course: the elective course can be chosen from a pool of papers in second and fourth semester. And each course will have the 100 marks in full and divided as 70 marks for end semester exams and 30 marks for internal assessment work, except in AEC, AECC1, AECC2 and practical paper. Internal assessment will be in 2 internal exams. This is important. 2 internal exams of 10 marks each and 5 marks for seminar, internal project and 5 marks for attendance. In practical paper, the distribution of marks in CIA will be same as prescribed for term and semester practical papers. A student in 4th semester can choose a generic papers or CC5 paper of any other subject of faculty as DSE. So what is the meaning of credit? A credit, a unit by which the coursework is measured. It determines the number of hours of instructions required per week. 1 credit is equivalent to 1 hour of teaching, lecture or tutorial, or 2 hours of practical, field work or practical. You can see here in first semester, core course 1, core course 2, core course 3 and core course 4 and AECC1. The code is like that, descriptions, and credit 5, 5, 5, 5, here 5, and the marks 100, 100, 100. This is the practical one, 50 plus 50, and this is the 50 plus 50. Here 30 plus 70. In the same as in semester 2, you have the course 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and AEC1. This is the code, this is the descriptions. This one is advanced in chemistry, this one is general in organic, physical, organic, and then practical, and this is the marks maximum, and this is the credit. In semester 3, you can see course 9, 10th, 11th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th, AECC2. This is the code 10th, 11th, and this is the descriptions: application of spectroscopy, bioinorganic chemistry, environmental chemistry and green chemistry, bioorganic chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry, human values and professional ethics and gender sensitizations. This is the credit, this is the maximum marks. In 4th semester, elective course 1, this is the code, elective course 1, this is the code, and the like that. Last, DSE or GE, this is the 5 credit system, 100 marks. So you can choose any 2. Here it is written, condition should choose the one among the following groups: 1A, 2A, or 1B, 2B, or 1C, 2C. So you can see 1A and 2A, inorganic chemistry special, inorganic chemistry special practical, physical chemistry special, physical chemistry special practical, organic chemistry special, organic chemistry special practical. So friends, let us start to see the syllabus. This is the semester 1, core course 1 in organic, credit system 5, full mark 70, unit 1, you can see the topic, unit 2, magnetochemistry, unit 3, metal ligand equilibria in solutions, unit 4, reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes, unit 5th, and almost all paper contains unit 5th. This is the books recommended, concise inorganic chemistry JDD, and like that. Semester 1 core course 2nd, physical chemistry, full mark 70, unit macromolecules, unit 2 electrochemistry, unit 3 chemical dynamics, unit 4 chemical thermodynamics, unit 5th statical thermodynamics. Book suggested, you can see Atkins physical chemistry and like this. Now you have the core course 3 organic chemistry 1 full mark 70, unit 1 nature of bonding in organic molecules, stereochemistry and reaction mechanism, structure and reactivity, and aliphatic nucleophilic substitutions and aliphatic electrophilic substitutions. Now this is the recommendation book. You can see Advanced Organic Chemistry, Reaction Mechanism and Structure by J.D. March and so on. Now you can see the in semester 1 practical physical chemistry. Just remember core course, this is the 4th. So full marks 50, duration of exam 6 hours, credit 5. Any one experiment you can perform from here, water equivalence through this method, determination of rate constant, study space unification to determine the distribution coefficient, like that, 30 marks. And Viva book 15 marks, notebook 5 marks, so 20 and 30, 50. And AECC 1, Environmental Sustainability and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan activities, this paper. Now friends, in semester 2, core course 5th started. This is advanced chemistry, advances in chemistry, full mark 17, credit 5, already you have seen. Now you can see nuclear chemistry, chemistry of nanomaterials, solid state chemistry, industrial application of chemistry, waste management. You can see this is the 5th unit. Here recommendations book, industrial pollution, Alka Gupta and so on. Now you can see core course 6 in organic chemistry 2nd, full mark 17, unit 1 bonding in coordination compound, electronic spectra of transition metal complexes, symmetry in chemistry, group theory in chemistry, metal pi complexes. Recommended books, Advanced Inorganic Chemistry, F.A. Cotton and G. Wilkinson. Now you see the core course 7th, physical chemistry 2nd, full mark 17. The unit contains introduction to quantum mechanics, exactly soluble system, approximate method, Huckel's molecular orbitals, and chemical bonding. The book suggested quantum chemistry, I.R. Levine, and other books. Now you can see the semester 2nd, core course 8, organic chemistry 2nd. Unit contains addition to carbon-carbon multiple bonds, free radicalization, photochemistry of carbonyl compound, pericyclic reactions, carbohydrate, amino acid and peptide proteins. Now practicals, this is the 9th papers. Organic chemistry, duration of exam 6 hours, full marks 15. So quantitative analysis 15 marks, organic synthesis via 2-step preparation 15 marks, Viva book 15 marks, notebook 5 marks. Book recommended, you see Advanced Practical Chemistry by Jagdamba Singh, LDS Yadav and JRC and other books. Now friends, semester 2nd, you have AEC 1, syllabus is not here but already provided by the university. Now semester 3, 10th paper, core course, Principle and Application of Spectroscopy, rotational spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, photoelectron spectroscopy, magnetic resonance spectroscopy, application of spectroscopy like UV visible, vibrational, PMR, NCMR, and mass spectrometry. So, book suggested or recommended Physical Method for Chemistry by R.S. Drago and other books. So friends, core course 11th, Bio-Inorganic Chemistry. The unit contains metal ion in biological system, bioenergetic in ATP cycle, transport and storage of dioxygen, electron transfer in biology, and metals in enzymes in medicine. Book recommended Principles of Bio-Inorganic Chemistry, Lippard's and Berg, University of Science, and other books also. So you have the paper 12th, Environmental and Chemistry and Green Chemistry, unit Environments, Hydrosphere, Atmosphere, Green Chemistry, Definition and Objective, Green Chemistry, Real Application, book suggested, Environmental Chemistry and Green Chemistry, written by S. N. Kumar Das, Books and Allied, Kolkata. Environmental Chemistry score. In semester 3, you have 13th paper. This is the Bio-Organic Chemistry. Unit contains enzymes, mechanism of enzyme action, reaction catalyzed by enzymes, enzyme chemistry, bioenergetics and protein metabolism. Book recommended Understanding Enzymes, and this is the book. So then practicals in core course, this is 14, practical in organic chemistry. So duration of exam 6 hours. You have the quantitative analysis of two constituent ion of the following, green method of preparation of the following complexes and a study by IR, electronic spectra and TGA, and qualitative analysis of inorganic mixture containing 6 radicals including interfering radicals, and Viva Vogue notebooks. So total 15. Book recommended a textbook of quantitative inorganic analysis by Vogel. This is the AECC2, Human Values and Professional Ethics and Gender Sensitization. So, semester 4th, elective course 1, Inorganic Chemistry Special, unit contains alkyls and aryls transitions metals, transitions metal pi complexes, homogeneous catalysis, supramolecular chemistry, and molecular rearrangement, spectroscopy applications. Book recommended Organometallic Chemistry, another book. Elective course 1B, Physical Chemistry Special, unit contain Hartree-Fock theory, semi-empirical theory, catalysis and oscillatory behavior, kinetic of condensed phase reactions, a study of fast reaction, kinetic of electrode reactions, corrosions, thermodynamics of solid. Suggested book, Physical Chemistry Atkins and other. This is Organic Chemistry Special, elective course 1C, unit 1 terpenoids, alkaloid, drug design, drugs, and heterocyclic compounds. Book recommended Natural Products Chemistry and Biological Significance by Mann and other books. Now you can see the elective course B2A, Inorganic Special, durations of exams 12 hours. This is the full mark 50, qualitative analysis of inorganic mixture containing 6 radical, analysis of at least 2 metal ion in alloys and minerals, dolomite, bryce, soldier, bauxite, or Viva Vogue record. This is so total 15 marks. Now you can see elective physical chemistry, 2 experiments, and the same way you have practical organic chemistry special. Any 2 experiment have to be set 30 marks, Viva Vogue 15 marks, notebook 5 marks. So friends, I hope this is the DAC 1 paper. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.